quick raise of hands. Who here would be comfortable enough to explain to somebody else what a blockchain is? Okay, very few hands. So blockchain started almost 9 years ago now with Bitcoin. And the idea of Bitcoin was to be money without banks. So in today's world, let's say I buy something from you, I have to send you money, we pay through a bank, so we need that trusted third party that will check whether I actually have the money and you are actually you. Bitcoin created a system, the blockchain, that allows us to not have to trust a bank, but we can trust the code. The code runs on all computers that are part of the Bitcoin network, and if the majority of the computers say yes, the transaction is true, Shermin has 1 Bitcoin, and that address really exists, then the transaction is automatically enforced. It allows us to move away from trusting entities, and we only have to trust the code. The code is open source, and the computers automatically enforce it. ICOs stand for initial coin offerings and have become the standard for developers to raise funds by issuing the tokens that are inherent to the blockchain. Tokens are a very important part of the incentive scheme of how distributed networks work. Miners were responsible for validating transactions. They can make money by mining Bitcoin. And this is a very new concept, and we call it crypto economics. These crypto-economic rules are an integral part of the token. There are very, very different types of tokens with different properties. You need to understand what the role of your token is. In the case of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is used to pay for transaction fees. In the case of Ethereum, Ether is used to pay for computing power. So the theory is that the better network performance, the more people adopt the network, the higher the value based on supply and demand of the network token. Since Bitcoin, we've had thousands of different cryptocurrencies emerge that try to be a better, faster, more anonymous Bitcoin. So if you ever want to invest into a token, make sure that you don't burn your money by not knowing where you're investing your money into.